Hello, welcome to all of you into this channel. I am Kirtiratna. This is an educational channel for GIS interested people. I am share my knowledge with who are interested in GIS field. So, in this video, I will explain how to label feature class using ARC GIS software. In here, I will explain how to label point, line, and polygon feature classes using our attribute data information. Also, I want to explain how to make a label annotations layer. Then this is an option in ArcGIS for storing text data. I will explain how to make a annotation layer through this video. Finally, I will explain how to use text, insert text for the label features. This is a point layer. This type label we can add for the point. This is a string or line feature. We can label it as like this. So let's move into our software and let's do this activity. This is my ArcGIS software interface. I first go to my working folder using catalog pane. I expand my folder and this is my today working folder. Inside that label folder, I have couple of layers. First, I take polygon place name. This is a point layer. You can identify points layer using this symbol. So then I need to change this symbol. Click on it and change it as those. I have already explained in previous video how to change this type of symbol using this symbol selector panel. Put this into So then I need to label those features using my attribute information. So for that I check what is inside my attribute table, opening attribute table. For that I go to on top of this layer name and right click on this layer, select open attribute table. There are several fields. There is lastly name field. I want to label using this name for these all points. So then I close that and again I go to this on top of this label, right click and click on label feature, and here you can see label feature, this one, and again I go to here and select label feature. It is labeling easily, but we have to select properties dialog box using right clicking on this label and go to properties. Layer properties dialog box, there is a label tab. This is a labels tab. In here, first you can select our field of label in store where the attribute table. I want to, it is already selected name. If not, it will come this field also label as a label features. I click on names and I want to increase my font size. I keep it as Arial font size, and using this I keep it as 14. Also I want to change the color. I will select as red color and go to placement properties dialog box. In here you can see page placement properties. Click on it and you can see under placement point setting offset label horizontally around the point. First one is default set. I also prefer to this point because this is the point first label link point as this point. Sorry. Secondly, it will come to this two place if it is something on the first place, it will come to second place. Finally, it will goes to third place. There is any other options inside this change locations box. There are lot of methods for the labeling features. I prefer this one. It is default here and I click OK. Then there are any other methods you can check whether it's how it works. I don't express those things and click OK. Right now my modifications over. Then now I can apply this into my maps like this. Nice. We can label our point features. Then I need to add here to line feature class. It is the mullet in a stream shape. I drag and drop this into this layer. Also I need to change this color into blue. I will it's one, right? Okay. Those are my river layer, stream layer. So then I want to again I'm go to on top of this layer name and right click on and select label features. It is also labeling in here and there are Kiramoy and again here also Kiramoy. Yes. I need to modify this. First go to attribute table. This is the name field. Yes, you cannot see any name here because all river have not been labeled in this. I'm giving sort ascending but still not. Again I change it to sort descending. Some features we can identify as labeling those selected features. In here also should be Kiramboya, but those are labeling features. So then I close it and clear selected features. Font we can so then again I'm go to properties tab. Under layer properties there's a label tab. I want to define name as, then my 12. Also I need to change color as blue. In here, placement properties, I'm go inside this variable. This I want to change it to curved because it is little bit curved shape. Then clicking on this remove duplicate labels, it will remove our unnecessary label features because one feature class may have several parts and each of parts have name. So then it will disturb us to see clear label. So then we can remove these duplicate labels clicking on this radial button, right? Clicking on that, and we can change our positions using above on the line or below. I click on above like this. Right. My work is over. Now click OK and apply. Let's go and see this type of curve shape we can see. Also, I need to change this into italic shape. So then again click italics and okay, right, it is better to I click on this full extents. You can see this is color Hiramware in Hiram R. Right. Likewise, there are several label features. Now I want to go to polygon features. This is GN division is polygon feature class. So then I drag and drop this layer into my backspace. I need to change this color to this, and so I need to change line colors. I want to change this background layer display. Right click on top of this layer properties. It is a display tab. Under display tab, I click in here 70% transparent. It is better. Now I can do labels. Now it is a little bit clear. Right click on this layer and go to properties, same as before. I want to go to the label tab, not province name. I will cross this line. Again, I will show what happened when I will off this layer to vector visualization. Right click on and select this label features. It all comes to southern because our modification is still not clear for this. For then I'm go to this label and right click and go to properties. Then I need to change this province name into GND name. Right. This one is GND name. Again, I will increase this size, right, and I will change this color into one and apply. I will it will little bit decrease size. So then I will also Now it's better. Right. Again, I'm going to placement properties, and you can choose those options also. In here, there are no remove duplicate label because it has no duplicate labels. I keep these defaults and click OK. Always horizontal. You can change always straight and try to horizontal first and then straight. You can choose this also. I keep always horizontal and click OK. And that is the way we can label our polygon features. This is the point features. I want to change point features size because font size also better. Right. Right. It is better. Now you can see some of these feature class label is not we cannot change any single label to anywhere. So then I want to make those label as an annotation label. I will do that for the GN divisions layer. For making annotation layer, right click on this our layer and go to convert label annotations tab. This one, convert label annotation, labels to annotation. So then this is not a database type file, it is a map type. So then I click in the map and clicking on these other defaults or features, keep same as default and convert this as an annotation. Now clicking on this select element button, you can simply select single features like this. I will show this one. You can select like this. Right. Selecting. I need to change this little bit inside. Opening this layer also we can change. It is better. This one should be up here. This is there is the stream also here. Likewise, you can do these changes using annotation method. So then I need to likewise you can change where we can put the best place. Can choose right. This is also I want to change. Now it's label annotations work only this polygon layer. If you want, you can do these table annotations other layers also. Then I need to explain how to insert text for the labeling method. I'm going to insert tabs and click on text. We can any text we can add using this method. I will click here something named Mulatina. Hospital, school. We can move this label if you want to here. Likewise, you can insert a text for the label features. You can go to here and double click on this label and you can change color or other things also as you wish. Font size, colors, and click OK. You can change those. You can use insert text also as a label features. If you do this insert text in layout view, this is our layout view, this is our data view, and go to layout view. There is also has insert text field. If we make text sample in here, this is the I want to increase this size. Sample. We insert when we in the layout view, it will not appear in the data view, but we insert this text in the data view, it will appear layout views also. That is the difference between insert text when these both view. Now I have come to the end of my work, and I think you will learn something from these tutorials, and I hope you will ask any questions to comment sections. I will put those layers and other materials to the descriptions area if you want to refer those things. There are any other advanced method for the labeling features I will explain in the later video. Until that, I hope to stop this lesson. I really appreciate your comments in the comments. Thanks for watching and bye bye.